Hey, good afternoon, students. Mr. Long here, and his teaching assistant, Baby Liam. Say hi. Hi. All right. So I want to let you know that tomorrow I will not be posting any new work. So, what's your problem? Oh, like, good afternoon, students. Mr. Long here, and his teaching assistant, Baby Liam. Say hi. Say hi, Liam. Say hi. All right. Well, you guys have been doing a fantastic job. Thank you for submitting your work. I will not be giving out any new work tomorrow. So, if you have not finished anything for lesson one, lesson two, or lesson three, you can use tomorrow to get it done. Or if you have time today, get it done today, and then you have a 3 day weekend. But that is what you need to do because I will be looking at everything and putting in grades by this Sunday. But if you can get it done today, then boom, 3 day weekend. Don't have to worry about language arts. Just as a reminder, I did change the lesson for today. I made it much easier, just as simple as read for 25 minutes, complete your reading log, and comment on the bottom of this post. What do you like about the story you're reading so far? So far, now I have Selena. I like how my story talks about people's point of view on what they saw and how they dealt with it, and how their stories were shared in a small but good book about the things that used to happen to people. Oh, I love that. That's the book that you're reading about Ellis Island, right? Oh, such a great comment, Selena. Thank you for being so active on the Google Classroom page. And I know some of you guys have been asking questions. I've been getting back to you. Maria, again, great answer to your reflection question. So I'm really loving what you guys are doing. So if you get your work done that I assigned for lessons one, two, and three, if that's done, then you're off tomorrow for my class. I'll send a good morning post in the morning, but besides that, you don't really have to do any work if you finished all your stuff for today. I do know that some of you still need to send me something for lesson one. Say I've only graded three. What? Yeah, I know it's your song. And only a few of you have sent me for lesson two. All right, and I made lesson three so much easier. So make sure you have your things in for lesson one, two, and three, and you're good. All right, guys, you can always call me, email me, or message me on Google Classroom if you need any help. Say bye, Liam. Say bye. Bye. Uh oh. Oh, don't do that.